So y'all gonna subscribe or you know you could put a little stank on that little subscribe button or whatnot. So I'm going in with my lime crown palette, and I'm going to be putting this mustard color in my crease and also rubbing it a little bit towards my brow bone just to make sure it's really blended. This right here is a translucent color. Yeah, I really love this palette. That's the color and how it looks, and it's really one of the main colors that I put down before I put anything. This right here is the chocolate palette, and I'm going in with that nice, it's kind of like a pastel brown. It's the second darkest one in the palette, and I love it. This right here is just a really natural look you can do almost just about every single day. Next, I'm going into my peach palette. It smells like peaches, and I'm going to use this. It's on the top. I would say right next to like the darkest color. And I'm going to just apply it smaller in my crease. Now this part you really don't have to do because it's really not necessary if you're not trying to go that deep into your look, because it's still natural. I consider this kind of like a semi-natural look. Now we're gonna go in with this copper color and just apply it over the brown shadow. I noticed when you put the, I guess, matte colors over the, if you put the matte colors first and then you put the shiny colors, it works a whole lot better, so it doesn't like fighting. What I mean by fighting, where it looks like it just clashes too much and it looks like too much going on. Then I'm just gonna go in with this. I use the gold, the big gold at the top, and then I also use the sand gold, just to mix both together because I feel like the yellow gold is just too yellow for me. Then I'm going to go in my lime crown palette and pull out that pigeon color and boot color and also put it in my crease. Now I use this under my eye area too, on the ends, just to make sure that my eyes do stand out. It's just a personal preference. Just put a little bit of eyeliner on. And I start in the middle and then I work my way to the front and then the back. I kind of like make the stencil for my wing and then I go in and just fill it in. And then you start with the other eye, and sometimes you may have to go back and actually fill that in to make sure there's no gap. A little bit of mascara. Now see that little dot on my left eye? You can just go in with some eyeshadow and just blend that out after it dries. You don't have to like take the whole eyeshadow look off and freak out, because it's not the worst thing that can happen, trust me. And that's what I'm doing. Now you just get that peach tone from that peach palette and put it in the corner of your eye, and then you smoke out the bottom of your eye so it can just make it stand out. So this is the everyday look. I mean, it's really simple. It only took me about 10 minutes to this whole thing, so I bet y'all can do it. Y'all can kill it. Yep, thank y'all for following me. Make sure y'all go and subscribe, and also keep up with my stuff, because I got a whole bunch of other things that y'all just don't know about. That's gonna be, you know what I'm saying, that's gonna be booming.